The history of Sudan, which until 2011 included present-day South Sudan, is rich, ancient, and often tumultuous. Here is a brief overview of the key periods. Ancient history, Nubia and Kush, ancient civilizations, c. 8000 BC, 350 AD. The area was home to some of Africa's oldest civilizations, often referred to as Nubia. Kingdom of Kerma, c. 2500 to 1500 BC, one of the earliest urban centers in Nubia, an important rival and trading partner of ancient Egypt. Kingdom of Kush, circa 1070 BC, 350 AD, a powerful and enduring kingdom with capitals at Napta and later Meroe. The Black Pharaohs, 25th dynasty of Egypt. Kushite kings, such as Pi and Tehrika, conquered and ruled Egypt for nearly a century, c. 750 to 656 BC, establishing what is known as the 25th dynasty. Meroitic period, the capital moved to Meroe, developing a unique culture, language, Meroitic, and distinctive pyramids. Islamic and medieval kingdoms. Christian Nubian kingdoms, c. 350 to 1500 after the fall of Kush. Three major Christian kingdoms, Nobatia, Makuria, and Alodia, flourished, resisting the initial wave of Islamic expansion for centuries. Islamic sultanates, c. 1500 to 1820. Eventually, the Christian kingdoms declined, and various Islamic sultanates rose to prominence, most notably the Furs Sultanate, or Sennar, in the center-east and the Sultanate of Darfur in the west. Islam and the Arabic language gradually became dominant in the northern and central regions. Colonial and pre-independence era. Turco-Egyptian rule, 1820 to 1885. Muhammad Ali, the Ottoman ruler of Egypt, conquered Sudan in the 1820s. This period saw the expansion of trade and administration, but also intense exploitation and the growth of the slave trade. The Mahdist state, 1885 to 1899. A religious and nationalist uprising led by Muhammad Ahmad al-Mahdi overthrew the Turco-Egyptian administration, establishing an independent Islamic state. Anglo-Egyptian Sudan, 1899 to 1956. A joint British and Egyptian administration, condominium, was established after a British-led force defeated the Mahdist army. Britain held most of the real power, gunning the north and south as largely separate regions, deepening the existing north-south cultural and political divide. Modern Sudan and conflict. Independence, 1956. The Republic of the Sudan gained full independence from the Anglo-Egyptian condominium. The promise of a federal system for the south was not kept, immediately leading to conflict. First Sudanese Civil War, 1955 to 1970, to a conflict between the central government and southern rebels seeking greater autonomy, ended with the Addis Ababa Agreement, which granted the South regional autonomy. Second Sudanese Civil War, 1983 to 2005, the autonomy agreement was revoked, and Sharia, Islamic law was introduced nationwide, reigniting the war. This was one of the deadliest conflicts since WWII. War in Darfur, 2003 present. A conflict erupted in the western Darfur region involving the government-backed militias, Janjaweed, and rebel groups, resulting in hundreds of thousands of deaths and a massive humanitarian crisis. Secession of South Sudan, 2011, as stipulated by the 2005 Comprehensive Peace Agreement, CPA, that ended the Second Civil War. A referendum was held, and the South voted overwhelmingly for independence, forming the Republic of South Sudan. 2019 revolution, longtime dictator Omar al-Bashir, who had ruled since a 1989 coup, was overthrown by the military following mass protests. A transitional civilian-military council was established. Recent conflict, 2023 present. A power struggle between the Sudanese Armed Forces, SAF, and the Paramilitary Rapid Support Forces, RSF, erupted into a full-scale civil war, creating a massive humanitarian and displacement crisis.